If you've been following my saga of wild planted sunflowers, there's more. And another one. I'm gonna transplant it. I've got an idea this time to transplant it in a way that hopefully doesn't get dug up again. Oh wait, I think I found more. I'm gonna take, crap, I forgot scissors. I can't get one side again because then I'll be over my points. So maybe I'll cut it tomorrow. So I'm going to take this netting that I use on my regular garden and put it over